Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to create a Pareto chart in Microsoft Word. A Pareto chart is a powerful chart used to identify the most important factors in a dataset, combining bars and a line graph to show frequency and cumulative percentage. This type of chart is widely used in quality control, business analysis, project management, and academic research. In this tutorial, we will discover how to insert and customize Pareto chart directly in Word using built-in chart tools. So let's get started. We can see here a document to my college. This is assignment. Now I want to insert the Pareto chart. Go to the insert menu, click the chart option, then go to the histogram chart option, and here the Pareto chart, click this option. Then we can see here the Pareto chart. Now here the series or data sheet open on this Excel sheet. Now I am close this. You can change the color, go to the design menu, select the color option. Otherwise you can change the format of this Pareto chart. Now we can see we insert the Pareto chart easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.